This video is to demonstrate a two-curve spiral in Solid Surfacer. We have already created a solid and two curves. Let's get started. From our machining palette we select Surface, then we select our tool 1-inch ball and mill. On our drop-down list we select two curve flow, click on cut along curves one way and spiral closed curves. Close the menu. We select the outer one of our curve, which is a hexagon, then the ellipse, the inner curve, and the solid. Select Do It or click on Do It. It's creating our toolpath in a spiral fashion. It's done. Now let's see how it looks in Flash CPR. Start. Now we see our 1-inch ball and mill again in a spiral fashion, cutting our surface within the boundaries of our hexagon and the ellipse we had created previously. The spiral option has been added to the two curve flow surfacing option. This option can be used with cases involving closed curves when all cuts are going in the same direction. The order in which the geometry is selected determines the first shape to be cut and where the tool will spiral in or out to.